I think I showed you all the rotting sill plate. So like you see here, it's all rotting. So we got our guy, there you go, putting in the new plates. So he's got it done all on this side right here. Side, we got, these are temporary walls. They're just holding up the ceiling because obviously there's no outside wall to hold up this side of the ceiling right here. So they just nail in these temporary studs. And he's got a lot of work done today. Probably take him another day or two to get it done all the way around the house. Got our dumpster. New dumpster. We got our stump almost cut out, quartered it, then the saw died again. So that's two saws that have crapped out cutting that tree down. Here's our electric pole. Went and got all the electrical components, all new boxes and everything, conduit, and we're gonna have that put together. This is called a loop. I did not know that's what it was called. And there's some more rot. All that's gonna be changed out. So the electric loop's gonna be replaced, should be next week. We're gonna have my contractor's gonna come out and start the addition next week. That'll take about 5 to 7 days to do this addition. So this is the septic tank, so I couldn't, it made more sense to do the addition from here, but I can't because the septic tank is right there and it's about $10,000 to move it. So we're just gonna start the addition right here. This is where the living room is, right? So it's gonna come out 12 feet, go all the way to the front of the house. So it's gonna give us a bigger living room and a whole nother bedroom. So it's a two bedroom, 2 bath right now. We're hoping to make it a 3 bedroom, 2 bath. So excited to get that done because it'll actually start looking like a house. Got a bunch of trees chopped down. I sprayed for bugs yesterday. And by the way, I counted, yes, there were 60, that is 60 bug bites from being out here yesterday. So I'm praying that bug stuff works. I will let you know if I get any more today. Alright, so this side of the house is too low. So he's looking at the water level. It's underneath there, so he can tell when it's level. And this guy's jacking it up. Alright, so we'll show you where the water level is. So there's the tube, right? So it's kind of hard to tell. Let me zoom in here. Alright, so you can see where the frame is and then where the level is. So he's going to jack up the house. Hold on, let me see if I can point a little better here. Where's my finger at? Ah, there it is. So, right there. So you're doing it to the bottom of the frame?
Yeah, it's right there right now.
There?
But
yeah.
sometimes you want to do a little bit more because it's going to sink, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Down.
So he eyeballs this right here, and the guy keeps...
So now it's level right there. You know, but I'm gonna reset it. Okay, look, stop. Go set that block on that side.
So now he's got shims. So here are the blocks that were already here. So they got the bigger blocks like this. And then if they need smaller ones, they've got like little, you know, pie slice shaped shims. So we got, see at the blocks, the cinder blocks, the pad at the bottom, the cinder block. And then that's a smaller cinder block. And then this is a piece of wood. It's a thick piece of wood. And then on top of that is like the small pie shaped. And then that's how they get it to the right size. They just go down, see every, I don't know, what is that, probably 10 feet. there's another set, another set, another set, all the way down on both sides. So on the left side and the right side, all the way down the house. So they'll measure with the level all the way down, and then they'll put shims in where it needs it or take it out where they need it. So there the guys are. They're still working on leveling the house. Like, it's all peeled open like a tin can. The reason it's like this is because we were replacing the seal beam around the outside. It was all rotted pretty much everywhere. So we put new one in, and then we are also replacing some of the studs in here that were rotted. And it's just easier to see this way. This is going to have all new siding anyway within the next couple weeks. So that's just kind of how it is. I'm hoping that we don't have a big windstorm, because now that the skirting's gone, the wind can go just up under and lift it straight up into the heavens. And I hope that doesn't happen, because I don't have insurance on it yet. So praying about that to happen. But we're gonna the addition's gonna be from here. This is like where the living room is, and then all the way to the end right there. It's gonna come out 12 feet this way. So it's about 12 by 30. It's going to add several hundred more square feet to the house. New siding, the roof, like this roof that's on here, gone. It's going to be more like a house roof. It's going to be like a gabled, pitched roof. It'll open it up on the inside. My goal of this whole project is to have this ugly tin can look like a beautiful house by the time I'm done. So I want it to be safe. We're going to put hurricane clips in there, make sure it's tied down, put a lot of extras that most builders don't do, I think, just to make sure that it's safe and stable for whatever family lives here. And I also want to make it beautiful. You know, I'm the typical woman. I watch too much like Magnolia TV and decorating and all that stuff. So I really want it to be pretty. I hope I have enough money at the end to make it look as pretty as I want. But it's coming along great. The guys are working hard. I'm building a good crew that, you know, can call different people for different things and save some money. I found some, you know, good Facebook deals where, like, let's say a piece of plywood is maybe $25. You know, you can find people with just extra plywood left over that's still new, and they'll sell it to you for 15 bucks. So I'm trying to find some good deals like that. I don't know, it's just a big learning experience, and you know, I might not make as much this time because I'm making mistakes, because I've never done this before. I'm learning, but that's okay, because I'll get better and I'll do better next time, and I'll grow, and I'm gonna make a lot of money off this. I'm just saying, we got a great deal on this. The area, you know, it's a pretty nice area. It's got some nice homes. It's, you know, also got some stuff that's not so great, but when you're first starting like me, I don't have 200 grand to plop down on a repair property, you know, cash. So I could afford this one in cash. I own it. I have the money. I'm not having to borrow money for the rehab or anything. So when I sell it, I get all the money back. And then I invest that into the next property, and I'm hoping to have several properties. Eventually, I think I want to own properties and owner finance them. That's a good way to make money as well. So I'm learning about all of this. It's really exciting. I like it. I'm really enjoying it. And if y'all have any questions for me, just put it in the comments below. Please like and subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything, but it helps me. It helps YouTube put my videos up more if there's more people subscribed. And if you comment, it shows as an interaction, and it helps, whether comment's good or bad, it helps my algorithm. So please just put anything in the comments, ask questions, whatever you want, and I really appreciate it. Stay tuned for more.